Honestly, when my parents told me aim higher to do something big, I knew I had to choose smart. That's how I landed here from Nepal to CGC University, the place where QSI gauge platinum ranking. Hi everyone, my name is Shibani from Nepal. And I'm pursuing BBA at CGC University, Mohali. And seriously, this campus blew my mind. Everywhere you turn, there's something new and creative is happening. We vibe, make memories, push each other's dreams even higher. So many food hubs, crazy AI labs, smart classroom, workshop, idea labs, venture nest. Literally, every day here feels like in a fresh vibe. CGC University totally surprised me. Now every day here feels like in a roller coaster full of fun, friendship, and new experiences. Student life here, it's wild, it's inspiring, and it's home. Wouldn't trade this journey for anything. Well, I'm here and I'm living it. You want to be part of this, so why waste? Apply today.